systems have run out of bank.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Gunner back again for part 3. We got some bad news this time around, though, unfortunately, or maybe it's some good news. It can be both, depending on how you look at it. But let's go to our plugins right quick. Alright, look, today we learning stat allocation. We're going to be learning how to make a quest with the quest journal.
Cap.
And we're going to be looking into our job points, which is pretty much like skill points and shit. And we're going to be doing a skill learn system. So like a little bit of RPG mechanics to add to the action RPG. How's the action RPG and we ain't got no mechanics in it. As for the bad news, I found out the guy that makes these jet plugins, I don't know, a guy or girl, I'm not sure which one, that makes these plugins. He made them paid. They made them paid. So I got a lot of these free. I'm gonna show you something right quick. I got a lot of these free during the time while they were free, and like I said, in the future, like this is a lot of videos right here we can make. You know what I'm saying? You just look at some of them. I told y'all stealth early in the first vid. We're gonna be doing the stealth soon, so like it's a lot of stuff. And like I said, these aren't free anymore. So unfortunately, last night I had to go buy this $10 quest and gameplay pack because I wanted the map quest window. I had everything in there except the map quest window. That shit pissed me off that I had to buy this. But as you can see here, stat allocation. That's one of the ones we're using today. um, Quest Journal system we're using today, but the Quest Journal system is also in that free plugins pack I told you guys to get. So look through that free plugins pack and see. But I ain't gonna lie to you though. A lot of these ain't in that. Like the skill learn system for one, that's not in there. I don't believe it is. Uh, Also another $10 pack. Each of these packs are $10 each. There are a total of 8 packs, so that equals $80. You can get the full collection for 30. I think that's a great deal. If I didn't already have all these shits for free, I probably would cop that. Since I just copped I copped one of these shits for $10 for just one. But look though, today only thing you really gonna need, like I said, if you only got $10 to drop, even if you don't got that, you just want to follow along, it's all good. We're gonna be doing stat allocation, quest, skill, and a skill learning system. So let's get started with that. The job points. Pretty much what these is always look through the help. Even though I'm teaching you, always look through the help. It gets you way better. It it'll help you really truly understand. So no tags. With the job points we want to do starting, we're gonna do this right here. We're gonna take the starting JP. We want our main actor to start with 10. So that way, as soon as we start the game, we can test the shits out. Skill learning system is simple. Scroll down to the note tags. You can make it so where so with the skill you can make it so where certain classes can learn certain skills. Typical shit. You can do a skill can cost gold to unlock, or a skill can cost uh, JP, which is the skill points. Or you can make it so where you need an item. This got me hyped when I read this. It allows you to set the item, weapon, and armor cost of learning a skill. So that means you can do something like let's say you were a Pokemon or some shit, right? And you found let's say you were a Eevee or some shit, and you were walking through the game and you found like one of those stones. Like you can become and you can make it so where you can take the stone and become a new Eevee. I don't remember the names, but that's the best example I can give you for that. Or if you were doing some Dragon Ball Z shit, you can do like except you can make an item called accept Babadi's influence or some shit, and then you become Majin, giving you a power boost. That's just some of the things you can do with allowing the item to determine if you can unlock a skill or not. Also, one of the things you can do with this is you can have it so where you have to know another skill before unlocking another. Like you have to know another skill before a specific skill pops up on a skill learn system. And pretty much what the skill learn system is, it's just like you can press start and go to skills and like boss stuff, like you usually can in a normal RPG. All right, now that's that. So we're gonna be using job points, like I said. So let's go make a skill that can use the job points. We did that. Yeah, I made a couple videos already. I'm getting confused. I don't know if we even did that earlier or not. But let's do it again. I made a skill called boot kick. I pretty much want this to be like the melee attack. So we decided to go with ABS 1 for this. A range of 2. Because the movement can get a little jank. So I don't want to. Like the boot kick is for you to not get hit. You know, if you have it available. For you to not get hit. So you don't want to let them get too close. So I did range 2. I want to kick him back with the impulse 4. I want to kick him back 4 tiles. And to learn this, it has to be learn cost 3 JP. So in order to learn this boot kick, you need 3 JP. All right, let's fix this. All right, let's go to our classes. So in our class, we have learn skill 11, 12. That makes it so where this class that our original our character is on can learn skill number 11 and 12. Simple as that. Stat allocation. All right, so what stat allocation is the plugin. It'll add another tab to your start. When you press start, it'll add another tab to that called allocate. And by putting these three here, this is max HP. As you can know, this is attack, this is defense. When we go to end game, when we actually go in game to allocate, you're going to see these three things here. You're going to say, how do you know to put MHP? Like, how do you know what to type there? It's simple. Don't worry. All you got to do, go to stat allocation, the actual plugin. And like I said, read the help. It'll tell you how to do everything in there. It'll tell you. I'm going to replace X with what? The parameters. Here's the parameters right here. Max HP, max MP, attack, defense, magic, so on. You can even do, you even got some more parameters down here. Hit rate. Like I said, I wanted to make for this zombie game, and I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm thinking about changing the theme. I don't. The zombies is kind of boring, but we'll stick with it for now. It's kind of boring for this specific thing. Consider we can do powers and shit. If we're gonna do powers with the zombies, then I might keep it like that. But like hit rate and shit, you can make it so where like early in the beginning of the game, you can't hit zombies like that. You can hit them maybe 65% of the time, and later on percent of the game, you hit them like 90%, shit like that. But as for now, we're just gonna be working with the three that I showed you already. Oops. All right. We're gonna go to our actor, like I said, and we're gonna make it so where he has starting JP of 10. So we're gonna be able to buy both our skills at the start. And let's just test that out right quick. Let's go back. Let's go back to the test area. I got a cutscene and shit made, so I don't want to start where I was at. I'm gonna go through all that shit. All right. Press start. That's good. Skills. Gonna learn boot kick for how many? 3 JP. Have them learn it. Boom. All right. Oh boy, lag. That weather system is glitching as shit. Shits aren't popping up in the tab. What's up with that? Interesting. Let's find out what's up with that. Well, while we're here, let's test the stat. I know the stats are yours. As you can see, allocate. If you had the points, we can do AP or we can do TP. We'll talk about those in a different video because that's starting to get down to the nitty gritty. You can see here, if you did have some points, you'll be able to upgrade your max HP, upgrade your defense, and attack. As simple as that. All right. I'm trying to figure out why those skills ain't going to our shits. Let's make a magic for now and see what happens. 'Cause that didn't make any sense at all. Alright, I'm back, YouTube. Yo, I don't really understand why my shit wasn't showing up. I'm guessing because maybe you need, when you're setting up your skills, you want to make sure the occasion is battle screen. That's what we changed. Other than that, man, I don't know. Also, I don't think I mentioned you can make it so where the skills require a level in order for you to be able to get them in the skill learning system as well. We're gonna take that off for now. All right, now let's go back and check. So, only thing we changed, we made the occasion battle screen, and instead of always. Let's go back in it. Battle screen. Go hit. So it says the group kick out. It actually showed up on our. It showed up on the tab this time. Let's kick this motherfucker. Motherfucker so that shit's glitchy, as you can see. Probably wanna tone that down slightly. All right, but that's a skill learning system right there for you. Fairly simple once you get it going. Um, Same with the allocating system. Let's give ourselves some just to show you how it works. Let's give ourselves some wait, can we give ourselves TP? I don't know if we can even do that. I guess you have to make it so where you have to defeat enemies and shit there are in TP. You have to look some more into that.